I asked ChatGPT 5 a description for a YouTube video, and here is the result. So here is my question over here, and the reply is fine. It's a generic description. And of course, you have to double check that what it suggests is actually what is your video about. For example, here I don't specify Android 15, and it's also different. I think the 10 has Android 16, not even 15. But anyway, you have to double check the description, but overall you have a draft, which is a pretty good starting point. Of course, you have to double check this section over here. Regarding the timestamps, that's interesting because I didn't provide any video. I just mentioned what is my video about, and it created the timestamps. However, I have no chapters on my video yet, and my video doesn't cover this. So it's very interesting to me that it suggested even the minute in which I should talk about something without having any video as an input. So basically I deleted this section. I could not use it. And it also suggests what watch next. So here I would have to add a link and some social media account, which I already have, some keywords, and finally the hashtags. Now the hashtags are wrong, basically. If you see here, they have caps, which is not usually used for hashtags on YouTube, and I can demonstrate it to you. So let's copy this, and I will open a YouTube video that I already did. And by the way, watch the video. I will put in the description of this video, and at the end of this video you will also have a link. So I copy and pasted this. First of all, you already noticed that on this keyword it actually suggests a different one, Android, like this. So you will have to click there and select the one that already exists on YouTube. And by the way, I don't think this is a 100% fit. Of course, the Google Pixel has Android. However, I think there is a better match than this one. And also here, if you click on this, it suggests basically this one, which doesn't have the caps. If you click here, it doesn't detect anything, so we can remove this. Here, it doesn't exist any hashtag with this, so let's remove it. Here it suggests another one. This one doesn't exist, and here it doesn't exist. So from more than 6, we narrow it down to 3. And I think there is a better match. For example, we can add all the variants of Google Pixel. So we can add Google Pixel 10 Pro, the Pro XL, and the 10. So these are better matches than what actually ChatGPT 5 suggested. But yeah, so this is another application for which you can use ChatGPT 5. And as I mentioned before, be mindful about the result because you will have to adjust it. And I forgot to mention, where can you get this one? So of course you have to log in to ChatGPT, then you have to go to the GPT section and look for YouTube. And here you will see that some users already created some GPT about YouTube, and you have to select the proper one. I think I use this one. Takes a while to load. Yeah, this one over here. But you can try others and see which one works the best.